Every engine needs fresh fuel. A fuel filter catches dirt before it can cause engine problems. A dirty fuel filter can cause your ride-on mower to lose power. We'll show you how to change it. To do this, you'll need pliers, a drain pan, and clean rags. You'll also need a new fuel filter, safety glasses, and gloves designed to resist chemicals. Check your operator's manual to make sure you have the right fuel filter for your engine and for important safety information. Perhaps the biggest challenge with this job is dealing with the highly flammable gasoline that leaks out while changing the fuel filter. Never change a fuel filter indoors. Make sure you have a good drain pan and plenty of clean rags. Check with your local recycling officials about the proper way to dispose of the spilled fuel, fuel-soaked rags, and the old fuel filter. Let's get started. Park the mower on a hard, flat surface with the engine shut off, parking brake on, and key removed. Then wait until the engine has cooled down. The first step is to raise the operator seat and to inspect the fuel filter and hoses that connect to it. If the hoses look worn or cracked, they should also be replaced. Note the arrow on the filter. It shows the direction that the fuel flows, away from the gas tank and toward the engine's carburetor. Look closely at the new filter. When installed, the arrow on the filter will need to point in the same direction. Place the drain pan under the fuel filter to catch fuel spills when the hose is disconnected. Make sure there are no sparks or anyone smoking in the area. Use the pliers to loosen the hose clamps and move them away from the filter. Twist and pull hoses from the old fuel filter and raise fuel lines vertically to avoid fuel drainage. Quickly reattach the hoses to the new fuel filter, making sure the filter arrow points in the direction of the fuel flow. Reposition the hose clamps so they secure the hoses to the filter. Clean up any spilled fuel and properly dispose of the old filter, fuel, and fuel-soaked rags before starting the engine. Run the engine briefly and then check for leaks. See how easy it is to install a new fuel filter? To make sure your mower's engine gets a steady supply of clean fuel, install a new fuel filter at least every year. Your operator's manual will have the recommended maintenance schedule for your mower, or for quick reference, there's a machine maintenance sticker usually located in the engine compartment area. Proper maintenance is the best way to make sure your mower starts quickly, runs efficiently, and mows a beautiful lawn. To purchase parts, visit your local John Deere dealer.